Good morning. It's Wednesday, bringing you latest news headlines today, November 12th. In today's edition of Daily Guide, SML sues OSP over equipment seizure. The Ghanaian Times, August 6th helicopter disaster. Bad weather cause of crash investigations. The Ghanaian Publisher, Afenyo-Markin label CJ Vet and Disgraceful. The Chronicle, Chinese investors frustrated as illegal miners take over concession, but Minerals Commission is mute. Daily Graphic, August 6th helicopter incident, poor visibility caused crash. The New Crusading Guide, downdraft caused August 6th helicopter crash, says investigative committee. The Informer, Ayeni cripples Mohammed's corruption fight, clears Ofori Atta of Cathedral investigation. The New Publisher, Bagbin's words 1 year ago, Judiciary, Executive colluding to weaken Parliament. The News Center, Ghana to birth tech unicorn. Through MTN support for startups, shared infrastructure to help innovators scale globally. Misto. The Ghanaian Point, Mahama declares no retreat in Galamsey War. And that's all for today on the latest news headlines live on Ghana Talks Radio. Do have a good morning.